Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make truffle chocolates. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: about 8 ounces of good quality chocolate and 4 fluid ounces of heavy cream. Finely chop the chocolate and place it in a heat-proof bowl. Gently heat the heavy cream in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer, but do not let it boil. This careful heating ensures a smooth ganache. After pouring the hot cream over the chopped chocolate, let it sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. This allows the chocolate to soften properly. Then, gently stir the mixture from the center outwards until it becomes a smooth, glossy ganache. For an extra touch of richness, you can stir in 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Now, chill the ganache for at least 2 hours or until it's firm enough to scoop. Once your ganache is firm, it's time to shape your truffles. Use a small scoop or a spoon to portion out the ganache. Roll each portion between your palms to form a smooth, 1-inch ball. Try to work quickly, as the warmth from your hands can cause the ganache to melt. Place the shaped truffles onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ready for their coating. Now for the fun part, coating your truffles. You can roll them in unsweetened cocoa powder for a classic finish, or try finely chopped nuts, shredded coconut, or colorful sprinkles. For a different look, dust them with powdered sugar. Store your finished truffles in an airtight container in a cool place. They are best enjoyed within 1 week, but they rarely last that long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.